What's going on, guys? So today is the day I go flex fuel. Today I'll be installing the Cobb flex fuel kit and the DW300C fuel pump. So there's a couple of already really good install videos, so I'm not going to make a full in-depth install video, but I am going to be showing you kind of what I do, just a quick rundown, some pictures I'll post, and mostly we're going to be going through the tuning process and talking about that kind of as it's happening. So, yeah. What's going on, guys? So I just want to make a quick little video here. The fuel pump is in now, and the flex fuel kit is also in. So over here is my factory fuel line right here, still dripping. That's disgusting. And here's the stock pump. So now I have the DW300C in there, and it fired right up. Everything's good. So now I am in the middle of getting my tune. So I have I'm drawing a blank here, guys. I just uploaded, I'm on my second map now for the flex fuel tune. Now I haven't put ethanol in the tank yet. Once I do, I'm going to film that. So as of now, just got everything in and we're working on the base map. Which shouldn't take too long because we literally just tuned this car 2 weeks ago. So we finished up a tune 2 weeks ago, so he pretty much has an idea what's going on, and hopefully this process will be pretty quick. So I'll update you guys here soon. So I just got done doing another log, and now I'm gonna go send that over to him. I did a 5-minute log and then a third gear pull. I'm gonna go send that to him, and while I'm waiting on his response, I gotta get this garage cleaned out. So the garage is getting there, but he just told me to load another map, do a third gear wide open throttle pull. So I'm gonna go do that because I'm ready for 85 and I want to get these 93 tunes out of the way. That was super quick. So he had me beat on the car. I got the computer right here in the car with me. He had me beat on the car, do first to fourth pulls. Let me put the windows up. He had me do a couple of first to fourth pulls, that sort of thing. And I had no knock, no overboosting issues. So now he told me to fill up with 10 gallons of E85 to get E50 or above. Now, I don't have an E85 pump anywhere near me. So I'm gonna get flex fuel and just try to get it to where I need to get it. I'll start the car, let it run a little bit, and if it's at like E40, I'll add some more. I'll just play with it till I figure out what the ethanol content is of the flex fuel, and I'll get it right. There we go. Said 9 gallons E85 and the rest with 93. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up to like 10, maybe 11 gallons, and then do 93 because this is a lower content. And I'm not sure exactly what the percentage of ethanol is, and I'd rather not have to keep going through this process. So I'm going to do 10 gallons and then fill up with 93 and see where we're at. I'll do 10.5. How about that? If I can get oh well, close enough. Now we're going to hang this bad boy up. Oh, that smells so good. I can smell it. Oh, I can smell it already. Yeah, I want a receipt for my first E85 fill up. Where's it at? Over here? Over here. Oh, yeah. Alright, now I'm going to put 93 in it. Here we go. First start up on sweet corn juice. Idle's fine. Wait for this ethanol number to go around a little bit. We're gonna go, I'll go drive around, let the tank slosh around a little bit and see where, what ethanol content we're at. Hopefully we're not over, because if we're over, I'm gonna have to run it through. And if we're under, I'm gonna have to run it through, and so I can get some more ethanol in the tank. So we'll see, but he said it's got to be above E50 and below E70 to be safe. So we'll see what we get here. All right, so there is E50 in the car. It actually ended up settling. He wanted to be above E50. He would prefer between E50 and E55. And without having access to E85 to do the correct math and just having flex fuel, I got the final to sit right at 56.1, which is pretty good. So I did his tuning mat, or his log, his regular driving log below 4,500 RPMs. It was a 5-minute log. I did that with the flex fuel, and so far it's loving the ethanol. I'm actually getting way higher gas mileage. Right now my gas mileage is at 30.6, which is ridiculous for driving around in town. And now I'm on my way back home, but I was in town, and normally in town I get 25. So the fact that I'm like 5 miles a gallon, I mean, obviously once I have the ethanol tune and it's done, I'm probably going to be getting on it a lot more, you know, at least for the first like couple days it's done or something, first week. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is gonna be awesome. So now I'm just waiting to get the next map, and once that happens, I will I'll probably go ahead and I'll do a like full in-depth review of the ethanol tune. But I did also have to get ethanol stabilizer, which I didn't get before I filled up. I just put it on the top of the tank, which it, you know, it's not going to get mixed in real good, but I had to get it in there, you know. So I actually bought out like the store. There was 10 bottles left, and they're about $9 a piece, so it was close to $100 to get all 10 bottles. But it does say 1 bottle, 1 ounce of that treats 5 gallons. So I need about 3 to 4 ounces every time I fill up the car, and you know, that's really not bad, because that bottle I think was a 16 ounce. So every fill up, that's about about $5 a fill up to add like half the bottle. And to be honest, I'm saving $5 each tank that I run ethanol anyway, because it's way cheaper. So at the end of the day, it costs me $5 less to fill my tank, but I make up in that in the Lucas oil, or the Lucas ethanol treatment. So putting the ethanol treatment in, I'm literally evening out with exactly what it used to be before. So my eyelashes. So anyways, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna sit around, I'm gonna finish cleaning up the garage, and wait for this new map to come in. And yeah. Alright, the garage is finally freaking clean again. These wheels are gonna be getting out of here soon. The exhaust will be gone soon. That's my buddy's off his STI. This wall's actually getting taken down soon to make more room for the pool table, so that'll be cool. But the room is at least organized now, clean. I just freaking went around and used the leaf blower, blow out the garage so all the dust is off the floor. I gotta go around and scrub up some of this stuff. That freaking pinata, some of the candy left like melted gunk on the ground, so. But anyways, I'm still waiting on that map. Once he sends me that map, I'm going to go out and do some probably third gear pulls like the other maps. And once the tune is complete, I will finish this video off and make a complete tune review, sort of. So I will go ahead and show you guys that now. Once, you know, that'll be in the future, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And then I will make a separate video for just like a review of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay guys, so the flex fuel tune is officially done. I didn't film a whole lot because it would be really boring going through, you know, every single revision that I do. But this is actually my second week on ethanol now. I just wanted to kind of like be able to make a follow-up video at the same time as this video. I'm going to do a full review on it later on. But right now I'm running around 56, okay, close to 57% ethanol, which is a little bit higher than my target. My target's between 50 and 55. But like I said, I can only get flex fuel in the area that I live, so it's really hard for me to get, you know, a perfect 50 to 55%, you know, so, but, I mean, it seems to be working out. I filled up 3 times now, and each time I filled up, I got between 50 and 60, so, I mean, that's close enough for me. You know, it's still safe doing that. The only thing is that, you know, it can put premature wear on the fuel pump. Even though it is supposedly ethanol rated, it still messes with it. So it's a little bit wet here today, but I am going to do a pool for you guys so you can kind of see what kind of power we're making. Okay, I'm going to do a little, I'm not going to launch it with trying to record it, but so definitely quick. So the car is running great, and it's definitely a lot faster. Like I said, it was hard to notice the difference, you know, at first. But I got on the, you know, I got on the freeway, and it definitely picks up a lot quicker on the highway. As you know, those highway pools just tend to be, you know, slower than what you would like. You know, every time you're like, man, this thing picks up on the street, but on the highway, it just doesn't have it. It definitely picks up better on the highway. And the other day, brand new 2018 Mustang came up on me. I talked to the guy for a little bit. He had full exhaust and an intake. That was about it. And I think he said he had a short throw shifter. I granny shifted, and he power shifted every single time. And we went door to door up until I was probably getting to the end of 4th gear, and I actually started pulling away from him. So it's definitely quicker, and I love it. So I'm gonna make a review here after I've had it for a little bit longer and let you know how it is, because I know you're supposed to cycle regular gas, regular 93 through every now and then to kind of give the fuel pump a break. So once I have it for probably a month or two, like a full month or two, and the weather gets colder and the ethanol content changes a little bit and stuff, I'll do a full in-depth review to kind of give you a better idea. But right now, this is just kind of my first impressions. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to throw a comment down there in the section, or whatever you want to do. You can follow me on Instagram too to get more updates. I seem to be posting on there a little bit more frequently because it's taking me a little bit longer to edit the videos than I would like. But it's definitely a huge improvement. And I'll tell you what, if you're going from stock to this, you would not believe how hard this thing pulls. So definitely worth it. And like I said, I'll make a more in-depth video here soon. But that's all I got for now, guys. Thank you for checking out this video. And if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'm going to try and get here on the ball and get some more parts in and make some more install videos or something. But yeah, definitely so far I am impressed. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.